Hello and welcome back, everybody, and welcome to our channel. If you want to add a place to Google Maps and you are wondering how, in today's video, we will be guiding you through the process in order to do so. So, if you're on your mobile device, you can start by opening up the Maps application for that on your device. And once you open it up, you can just go ahead and directly find the Explore, You, Contribute, and Business option in the dashboard. So, you can select the option for Contribute and tap on it from the given menu, and when you go ahead and tap on it, here you will be finding different options available. You can directly select the option for adding a place and go ahead and tap on it. Once you tap on it, you will be given option to add up a place. You can add up a missing place from the menu that appears, and you can fill in the required details, place names, category, and address. So here, first of all, you can just go ahead and provide in the place name. For example, let's say this is the place name. After that, you can type in the category as well. You can select the category, whether it is a food and drink, hotel, services, etc. You can select it. So for example, it is food and drink, a restaurant, let's say bakery. After that, what you can do is you can select up your address, which is a required address. So you need to go ahead and provide in the required address. And once you do so, you can just go over and edit the map location as well and locate it with it. Once you do so, you can add in more details such as your phone number, hours, website, photos to help Google verify the place. But after you fill out the information, you just need to go ahead and tap on submit. And once you go ahead and tap on submit, it will be sent, and the profile, the location will be added to the Google Maps. And there you go. So you can just go ahead and add the place to Google Maps by following up this method. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.